Dog, the man go from mango tree, bad man.
I no kill him.
We not kill him, we could have killed him at toast.
No, you couldn't kill him.
Don't chop up the man, dog.
No,
You set me that off.
nothing.
The man go from a mango tree.
Have you killed off eating yan? No, but not. Never say, a sunburn that. A sunburn. You can go out with it.
One man a chop the shit up, the man toast.
Coming up, Jesus Christ.
The man deep mango tree, yo.
Team mango tree, you can see say mango, man.
Man, the man on the purpose to go from a tree, bad man.
Jesus Christ.
Man, I'm good at
You
chop.
must have eaten you one mango. You one mango, you must have eaten you.
Man, you got them guys, you know, up top, you know.
One thing. Brother, I'm this, it's a mad thing, man. Brother,
Hey, man, where the fuck are you? Yeah, that girl and your keys are calling me today, no?
You're not nuts, girl.
We're standing on the girl. Never see that girl. You never saw. You don't have no girl. Make sure that.
You know, no girl, no girl.
Hey, what happens to the other girl?
Watch out, watch out.
Watch out.
Keys are calling me later.
How do you girl at? How do you girl at? Off of Instagram, I get the girl wrong. Off of Instagram, not Facebook.
No. On Facebook.
Follow the music, girl.
Alright, come now. What about in the salon?
You know, you know, girl like you, brother. My girl, everything like princess on the top.
You say princess on the top, bro?
Long time, oh gosh.
Yo, how much the girl there?
I'm
Say
say
girl.
girl.
Alright, I say girl, tell me to meet her, brother.
Bad man,
I like
no one girl that over there, so bad.
Mad woman that you. Brother, that's a mad woman, no, brother.
No, I know.
Dog, we want to tattoo.
No,
Give
no,
the
call
no,
her.
girl a call.
Brother,
Give the girl a
call
call.
her, man.
The girl up on the phone. Hello? Which one you there?
Me the president of the tunnel.
So me not see you.
What you say now, see me?
Oh, you see me, me not see. Where you there?
Me see your friend, I'm the funny board.
Brother, wait, let's stay right there, so.
Alright, that's it.
Right there, so. Are you named Keisha? Yeah, you look like that.
Look at your house now.
My house. But if the spirit of me had me, I come. Suka. Hey, girl, ugly like midnight.
Yeah, Nana, look at your house. Okay, tell us, where am I run from me for? Where am I run from me for?
More than my fight, more man a rise. So me not gonna make you know I be my man a driver. Remember the words of my mother voice. Keep your head in the sky and your eyes on the prize. Vanish down and let people paralyze. A little more about the